What if the biggest difference between rich and poor isn't how much money they have, but how they think about it? Two people can earn the same salary, yet one builds wealth while the other stays stuck. So what do rich people see that most people completely miss? Most people grow up believing one thing: money is the goal. Get more money, save more money, chase more money. But rich people, they don't chase money, they use money. To them, money is just a tool, like a hammer or a machine. Its only purpose is to create more value. That's why instead of asking, "How can I earn more?" they ask, "How can I make money work for me?" Here's a shift that changes everything. Poor mindset: I need a higher salary. Rich mindset: I need more assets. Income is temporary, assets are forever. If you stop working, your income stops. But assets, they keep paying you, even when you sleep. This is why rich people invest in things like businesses, stocks, real estate, because these things generate cash flow. They don't trade time for money, they build systems that produce money. Most people think about money like this: how can I enjoy it today? Rich people think, how can this grow over time? They understand something powerful. Small money, invested consistently, becomes massive wealth. Not overnight, but over years. While others chase quick wins, rich people play the long game. Because they know wealth isn't built fast, it's built smart. Here's a trap almost everyone falls into. The more you earn, the more you spend. New phone, bigger house, better car. It feels like success, but it silently keeps you broke. Rich people do the opposite. When their income increases, they increase investments first. They delay gratification because they know looking rich and being rich are completely different things. Most people use money to buy things. Rich people use money to buy time. They outsource work. They build passive income. They create freedom. Because time is the only asset you can never earn back. So instead of asking, "What can I buy?" they ask, "What can I free myself from?" Most people avoid risk. Rich people study it. They don't blindly gamble. They take calculated risks. Because they know the biggest risk is staying in the same place forever. No growth, no change, no progress. So they act while others wait. At the end of the day, the difference isn't luck. It isn't talent. It's mindset. Rich people don't just have more money, they think about money differently. And once you change the way you think, you change the way you earn, spend, and grow. If you want to build real wealth, start thinking like the wealthy do. Because everything changes when your mindset does.